Boston! Our show's coming up in Boston, April 13th. This is going to be so exciting. I love Boston. We can walk the Freedom Trail. They have good clam chowder there. They have giant coconut macaroons and
they have lobster. Lobster. That's how you got to say it as a local. Lobster. Lobster.
Lobster.
Yeah.
It's going to be so much fun. We have two shows. One is for kids and families at 2 p.m. And then there's an adult cabaret. Ooh, at the Puppet Showplace.
An adult cabaret?
That's right, Honey Glaze.
Leslie is doing an adult cabaret?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to have to help her with her hair and makeup. She always skips. She looks like a thumb. I got to start packing.
Yeah, you better pack a lot, Honey Glaze. Whew, Leslie needs all the help she can get for that. I love Boston.
I can hardly wait. Birthplace of America.
Lolly Lardpop and Leslie Carrara-Rudolph are coming to Boston on April 13th, 2013 for 2 big shows. The first is a 2 p.m. family show called Leslie and Lolly Make Stuff Up, and then there's an 8 p.m. adult cabaret called Entertaining Thoughts. The shows are sponsored by the Boston Area Guild of Puppetry. For more information, visit puppetsbostonguild.org or check out the news at wakeupyourweird.com.